Hooty's bag of goodies, tales for everyone. So come on, all you children, let's go have some fun.
Hi, I am Hooty the Owl. I have 4 children, Naughty, Greedy, Goldilocks, and of course, Pat, the little rat who didn't have a family of his own. Now he has us.
Mommy, tell us a story today. Anything that you like. She always tells stories with morals. I think she wants us to learn from these stories.
Well, it's good to learn something new every day, isn't it? Come, I will tell you a story about a man who lost everything as he dreamt of things which were out of his reach. Once upon a time, a very poor man lived in a small town. He was poor and very lonely since he did not have a family or friends. He used to sit and beg for food all day long. Whatever he got during the day, he kept in an earthen pot and hung it beside his bed. One night, the man was very tired from begging all day, so he went to sleep early. The moment he lay down, he was fast asleep. He soon began to dream. He dreamt that he was not poor anymore. He dreamt that he now lived in a big house, had lots and lots of money, clothes, and good food to eat. He also dreamt that he married a beautiful woman and that they had lots of children. In his dream, he saw that he was playing football with his children in his big house. The man began to move his legs really fast in his sleep. He hit the pot with his leg very hard, and the pot fell down and broke into many pieces. All the food that he had got that day fell to the floor. The man woke up only to realize that he had been dreaming. He went back to sleep feeling sad and hungry. So what was the moral of the story today?
I know. One should not build castles in the air. One should be happy with what one has and make the best of it.
Absolutely. That's really very good, Pat. You are a clever little rat, aren't you?
Come on, Greedy, Goldilocks, and Pat. Let's go out and play. I am bored and I am hungry.
Take some cookies and go and play, but not too far and not too late.
Okay.
Hooty's bag of